na sanang dalawa, siyang huli at hanggang-isa. Papatunayan ang unang pag-ibig ay di mawawalan.
How is it going?
Slow nights, just few calls.
Yeah, same here. Oh, it's already late. I gotta go.
Okay, be safe.
Thank you.
Hello? Who is this?
Hey, Ally. It's me. Or at least, it's you. From the future.
What do you mean? How is it possible?
I know this is a lot to take in, Ally. But just listen. I have a message for you. Ally. His name is Michael. You will meet him soon. He's the one.
What do you mean? Who is Michael?
You'll see, Ally. But trust me. Just be patient, okay? This is just the beginning.
Hello? Are you still there?
Good morning, ma'am. What's your order?
One order of coffee latte.
That's all, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Take it, sir. Is this seat taken?
Oh no, go ahead. That book, I've read it before. It's my favorite.
Really? It's a classic. I always find something new in every time I read it.
Same here. It's like it changes with you.
I should probably get going. My shift starts soon.
What do you do?
Call center agent in night shift.
Michael?
Yes.
Ally. His name is Michael. You will meet him soon. He's the one.
Order for Michael and Elaine.
Nothing. It's nice to meet you, Michael.
You too, Elaine. Maybe I'll see you around.
Tungalay kong arana para sa dalagang walang kasing ganda. Amoy rosas ang alimuyak kung nanaisin ng tadhanang mapalin lang. Di hahayaan mawala pa tong liham na umaasang mata mong makabasa. Handang gawin lahat, maging pamilya'y hilikawan na yan lang nakadama ng wagas na pagkamangha. Hiling ka lang naman na tayo na sa